Have you ever felt like you've come full circle in your life? This common English idiom can be confusing for beginner learners. But understanding it can really boost your communication skills. Let me tell you a funny story about a time someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend, Samantha, was planning a surprise party for her boss's retirement. She kept saying she wanted the party to come full circle for her boss. But her coworker thought she meant the party should be held in a circular room. So, what does coming full circle actually mean? It's a figurative expression that refers to a situation or event that has returned to its original starting point or condition. Let me give you an example of coming full circle used correctly. After graduating from college, Samantha started her career as an intern at a marketing firm. Years later, she was promoted to become the marketing director at the same firm, completing the full circle of her professional journey. Here are some diverse examples of how to use full circle in different contexts. In casual conversation, I can't believe I'm back living in the same neighborhood I grew up in. It's like my life has come full circle. In a formal setting, the company's recent acquisition has brought its strategic vision full circle, allowing it to offer a comprehensive suite of services. In a negative context, after all the progress we made, it's disappointing to see the project come full circle and end up back where we started. In a humorous context, my New Year's resolution to eat healthier has come full circle. I'm back to eating pizza every day. In a literary context, the protagonist's journey in the novel takes him full circle, returning to the same small town where his adventure began. In a business setting, our marketing campaign has come full circle, with the brand recognition we built earlier in the year now driving increased sales. On social media, I can't believe I'm back using the same social media platform I swore off last year. Life really does come full circle. To help you remember the meaning of full circle, think of a circular shape, like a wheel or a clock. Imagine the wheel or clock going around and around, eventually returning to its starting point. This visual representation can serve as a helpful memory aid for the idiom's meaning. Now, let's explore some fun facts about the idiom full circle. The phrase come full circle originates from Shakespeare's play King Lear, written in the early 17th century. The idiom reflects the cultural value of completeness and the natural cycle of life, where things often return to their starting point. In some regions, you might hear variations like coming around again or coming back around that convey a similar meaning. The idiom has been used in various works of literature to describe a character's journey returning to their origins. Over time, the usage of full circle has evolved, with people now using it to describe a wide range of situations, from personal experiences to business strategies. Here are some idioms and phrases that are similar to or related to full circle. Similar, come back to where you started, what goes around comes around, the circle is complete. Opposite, break the cycle, forge new ground, blaze a new trail. Related, repeat history, retrace your steps, come back to where you started. Let's try rephrasing the idiom full circle in a different way. Original sentence, after years of traveling the world, I've come full circle and ended up back in my hometown. Rephrased, after years of traveling the world, I've returned to my hometown, where I started. I once witnessed the effective use of full circle in a real-life situation. My friend, Samantha, had left her job at the marketing firm years ago to pursue a different career path. Recently, she was hired back at the same firm, and during her first team meeting, she joked that her career had come full circle. Her colleagues immediately understood the significance of her return, and it helped break the ice and set a positive tone for her reintegration into the team. Let's address some common mistakes and misunderstandings when using the idiom full circle. Grammatical mistake: saying I've came full circle instead of I've come full circle. The correct verb form is come. Meaning misunderstanding: thinking full circle means something has gone in a complete, circular motion, when it actually refers to returning to the original starting point. Inappropriate context: using full circle to describe a situation that has not actually returned to its original state or condition. Let's test your understanding of the idiom full circle with a few quiz questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom full circle? A. Something has gone in a complete, circular motion. B. A situation or event has returned to its original starting point. C. A cycle has been repeated multiple times. D. A new path has been forged. 2. Which of the following is a synonym for the idiom full circle? A. Break the cycle. B. Reinvent the wheel. C. Come around again. D. Forge new ground. In summary, the idiom full circle refers to a situation or event that has returned to its original starting point or condition. Understanding the meaning and proper usage of this common English expression can greatly improve your communication skills and help you express yourself more effectively. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom full circle in a sentence of your own. Share your example in the comments below. And let me know if you have any other questions about this or other English idioms.